Hello everyone, it's Funimate user Noe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what you can expect with the new update and the new transitions. The first transition is a square slide. This is a transition that looks like this. It can come in all different directions. The next transition is blinds. It can come in all different directions too, and it can also zoom in and zoom out. You can choose if you wanted to do zoom in or zoom out. Here's an example. The next transition is a cube flip. This is where the cube goes onto the screen and flips. It can come in all different directions too. Here's an example. There's also new shapes for the cube in transition. Here's all the new shapes. A circle, a triangle, a hexagon, a star, and you can also glow and blur it. This also counts for the cube spin. Here's an example. That will be all coming with the new Funimate update. Get ready to take your editing game to the next level.